Hi, number 5. Maria spends 30% of her salary on rent. If her salary is 25,000, how much is left after the rent? So it means nabawas na natin yung 30%. So what we are looking for is the 70%. Okay, this is what is left from her salary after paying the rent, which is the 30%. Review natin yung kanina, no? Percentage, base, and rate. So what is asked in the problem? How much is left after the rent? That is the part of the original amount. So this is what we are looking for, the percentage. And how do we get the percentage? We multiply the base and the rate. Now, what is the base? Base is the original amount or the whole thing, the whole amount. That is 25,000. So we have 25,000 times the rate. So the percentage is what percent of the base? That is the 70%. Not the 30%, but the 70%, because we are looking for the amount of what is left, which is 70%. Okay? So that is 25,000 times 70% is 0.7. So multiply natin manually dahil wala tayong calculator sa exam. 0.7. So we have 3 zeros, 7 times 0, 0, 0. And then 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3. 7. Okay, now it's not 175,000 because we're looking for the number lower than 25,000. We multiplied 25,000 by a decimal which has 1 decimal place. So maglalagay din tayo dito ng 1 decimal place. This one is equivalent to 17,500. Okay, here. Now, pwede rin naman natin yung i-visualize, di ba? So let's say gusto nyo may illustration para mas makikita nyo yung kabuuan niya. So let's say this one is the entire salary, 25,000. Now, divide natin siya sa 10. Now, the 30% is the 3 parts, which is the rent. And the remaining is the 70%. So how much is this? First is, this one is the whole thing, 25K divided by 10. How much is each? 2,500. So each part here is 2,500 because there are 10 parts in total to make it a total of 25,000. So if this is 2,500 and this is 70% or 7 parts, that's 2,500 times 7, which is 17,500.